what's up guys? Nick at Moonshine Harley Davidson here. I'm gonna go over this street glide that we just built with a 128 cubic inch motor. We use Dark Horse's flywheel, a set of our Frankenstein Street Fighter 1.5 heads. Like always, we run the Feuling 592. The customer was looking for something from a mid-range cam, so it works very well when we do it. Let's walk to this side, we can look at the pipe. This is the Feuling AR Moonshine collab pipe, anti-reversion 2-to-1, beautiful pipe. This is the polished version. When we do this version here, it turns gold after we call it heat soaking it. Heat soaking it is after we get it on the dyno, we do some test rides with it. It turns this beautiful gold color all the way down, and that black and gold contrast always looks good. Screaming Eagle, extreme ventilator air filter. We'll do a Screaming Eagle 64mm throttle body, R66 FED manifold, obviously injectors, all the normal stuff with it. Customer went with some BSD carbon wheels. These are the Torque Techs. These are the 10-spoke gloss black. Personally, my favorite. I like them on the bike a lot. Obviously, saves a lot of weight. We use the Behringer radial mount calipers with the 320mm brake tech rotor. And then out back, same thing, but we use a 300mm Ferraro rotor. Pretty cool. And then for the handlebars, of course, we did the Kraus setup. This is a 12.5-inch total Kraus bar kit where you can still see your radio. We did the pullback plate, Obrion levers, Harley Rizoma mirrors. Nice little touch on there. Probably my favorite mirror that we do. And then to finish the suspension off, we did a set of Screaming Eagle O-Lens rear shocks on the bike. Nice little touch all back. I like their mounts. And then GP front suspension, standard height. It was pretty cool. All right, guys, let's go over this dynograph we did here for Mr. Murdoch. So this was a 128 cubic inch motor. As you can see, when we start turning the power on, right at about 2,400 RPM, we start to get over about 120 pounds of torque. It stays up there until about 5,200 and it kind of levels out and comes back down. But you can see we make peak torque right about 4,200 RPM. So peak torque, this is exactly where he wanted it. He was where he was gonna travel and be tooled with his wife a lot. If you look at the horsepower side of it, made a little bit more power than it did torque, made peak horse at about 5,900. The power range was at 149.6 horse. Again, 142.2 torque. Great setup on here for traveling. I think I'll be very happy with it. We designed this kit here to ride between 2,200 RPM and about 5,000, right? That's where a lot of guys ride. You travel between that RPM. So this was a good setup for what we wanted to do for him. But yeah, this bike's being sent out to Texas. It leaves on the truck tomorrow, but appreciate you guys. Have a great day. You hear that? That was horsepower. Horsepower.